If you're just starting out as an Airbnb host, or you're looking to upgrade your listing without breaking the bank, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm sharing 5 budget-friendly amenities that cost under $40 to help you stand out in a crowded market, enhance your guest experience, and increase your chances of positive reviews and repeat bookings. Number 1, 2 types of pillows for each bed. Not all guests have the same pillow preference, and offering 2 different types of pillows can help improve their quality of sleep. Each of the beds at my Airbnbs have 4 pillows total, so 2 are standard quality hotel pillows, and 2 are memory foam pillows. Having different pillows not only appeals to a variety of guests, but honestly I've also found that the memory foam pillows just last a lot longer and need to be replaced less often. Number 2, a junk drawer. Stock this with basic amenities like tape, pens, batteries. It's a simple yet effective way to add extra convenience for your guests. We've all stayed somewhere and been like, oh, I really just wish I had a safety pin right now, or I really wish I had a pen, I need to write something down, but they don't have it. Having a well-stocked Airbnb with thoughtful items like this will help guests remember your Airbnb and appreciate it during their stay. Some other items that could be helpful in this junk drawer would be a notepad, sewing kit, safety pins, extra phone chargers, a lint roller, and these are all inexpensive items that can really go a long way for your guests if they need them in a pinch. Number 3, and this is a big one for me, don't be stingy with what you're already leaving out for guests. I'm talking things like toilet paper, paper towels, laundry supplies, dishwasher tablets. You're probably already leaving some of those things out for guests, and if you're not, yikes. But I mean, don't skimp on them. It leaves a bad impression when guests see that you're being stingy with these basic amenities. When I first started hosting, I left like 1 paper towel, 5 laundry pods. I would count everything out for each stay because I was so worried that guests would steal any extras that I left out, and that's what the internet told me to do as a new host. But that has never been an issue at my Airbnbs. In fact, I found that guests tend to be more respectful of the space when they feel valued rather than when they feel like they're being nickel and dimed. If guests are given enough to meet their basic needs, then they're more likely to use things thoughtfully. For example, my sister recently stayed at an expensive Airbnb and they didn't provide any paper towels or cleaning supplies. She ended up spilling something and needed to clean it up, but the only thing to clean it up with was bath towels, which not only added a lot of wear and tear to the towels, but also left her feeling frustrated when she was already paying a lot to use the space. Leaving out slightly more of these supplies costs you what, like $5 or $10 a stay? But it really leaves a much better impression with guests. Number 4, board games. Board games are a simple and cost-effective way for guests to create memorable experiences while they're at your Airbnb. And remember, a key to good hosting is about more than just providing a place to sleep, it's also about providing experiences. Offering a variety of board games makes your Airbnb more memorable and more enjoyable. Pro tip, I buy puzzles and board games from the thrift store. It's cheap and it's a cost-effective way to add a lot of board games and a lot of variety. Number 5, providing local recommendations. This is a free way to provide value for your guests. A lot of time people staying at your Airbnb probably aren't going to be from the area and want to know from a local what's worth going to. Or maybe they are from the area and they're just curious to check out something new. I have a list of restaurant recommendations, pet-friendly things to do, and local attractions that I keep in the welcome binders at my Airbnbs and in the PDF that I send to guests prior to their check-in. I get comments from guests all the time in their reviews about how much they appreciate these local recommendations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then you might find my last video helpful too. If you're a new host or just curious about Airbnb, make sure you leave me a question in the comments below. If you want to see more of my day-to-day hosting experiences and behind the scenes type stuff, make sure you check out my YouTube shorts or my TikTok. Until next time, happy hosting.